Everyone, this is Sakshi Saxena here. I hope you all are sound and safe at your home in this pandemic condition. Today I'm going to start with English 1 class 2 with the first topic, that is alphabet fun. Let's have a look how it goes. From class pre-nursery to KG, you all have studied about English alphabets, which are 26 in number. Okay, now it starts with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are the 26 letters in our English alphabet. Now while going through these, you must have noticed that I have encircled few with orange number. They are 5 in number, that is A, E, I, O, U. These 5 encircled ones are called vowels. That vowels are 5 in numbers, and the leftover ones, that is B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These all are called consonants. So basically we can say that our English alphabets are divided into two portions. One is vowels and the other one are consonants. Now vowels, they have special characteristics, like they have special sounds and they have one or more sounds. Now this I am going to explain you with an example. Let's take letter A in the following words. I have written 3 words over here. The first one is apple, next is arm, and the third one is baker. Now here in apple, the A is a vowel which sounds like A in your Hindi Varnmala, which you must have studied. Here again in the second word arm, you have A, but here the sound of the A alphabet is sound as A in your Hindi Varnmala. And here in baker, you have again A as a vowel, but here the sound of this A is as A. That you must have studied in your Hindi Varnmala. So we can say on ground level that vowels, if you use them, they have special sound with the words. Okay, now with this I am going to start with a small exercise which you must have seen. Okay, now let's start with exercise A of alphabet fun. Here I have drawn few pictures. You have to look at them and you have to name them. Okay, and all of these pictures, the name of these pictures will start with vowels. Like the first one, we all eat this in summer season, so this is an ice cream. Ice cream starts with I, which is a vowel. You can write down the spelling of the ice cream in your rough copies. The second one is a house of the Eskimos. It is called an igloo. Igloo again starts with I. Next one is a common insect. It is known as an ant. A-N-T, ant. It's again starts with vowel. The another one is a fruit which we eat. Haven't you heard the phrase, an apple a day keeps the doctor away? So this is an apple. So apple again starts with A, which is a vowel. And here is an umbrella. Okay, umbrella starts with U. So all these 5 spellings you can note down in your copy. Ice cream, I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. The second one is igloo, I-G-L-O-O. The third one is ant, A-N-T. Fourth one is apple, A-P-P-L-E. And the fifth one is umbrella, U-N-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Now with this I'm going to start with another exercise, exercise B. Now again here I have drawn few pictures. Now in this what you have to do, write the letter of the alphabet with which begins the names of the following. Here you have to just write the first alphabet. Again I would like everyone to be with their copies and a pencil. Now first one, I hope you all know about this common insect. It's a butterfly. So butterfly starts with B. Here the another one, another animal which lives in water. It's a fish. Fish starts with F. The third picture is of a jug. Jug starts with J. Fourth picture is of a star. Star starts with S. And the fifth picture is of a kite. It starts with K. Now here you must have noticed this butterfly B, fish F, jug J, star S, kite K. They all are consonants, while in the previous exercise we have done with the vowels. Now let's do the last exercise, which I would like to give you as a homework. Please note it down in your rough copies. This is exercise C. I've written, do it in your rough copy. The first homework is you have to write 5 words starting with vowels. I repeat myself, vowels are 5 in number. They are A, E, I, O and U. And the second homework is you have to write 5 words which are starting with consonants. Consonants are 21 in number. With this, I end my video and I hope you all have enjoyed it and must have learned something. Thank you.